Time to unbox some Bluetooth stuff and maybe build an amplifier. So let's see. I ordered tiny little things, just $2 and $3 respectively. $2 is the amplifier, and the Bluetooth thing, man, it's wedged in there good. So let me see how I can get this open. Oh boy. Hopefully I won't cut the product. This is just crap. They don't want me to open it. So yeah, that's all that came in this package. It's oh yeah, this is the amplifier. OKY 3462-9-2 AA4. So it has a nice little circuit board. Yeah. A chip which is slightly oxidized. Okay. Capacitors, diode, 2 resistors. Okay. So this is a fixed volume amplifier. You have to add something to add a potentiometer or something to make it variable, or you can adjust the volume from the input. So yeah, I mean from the source. So yeah, this is 2 times 15 watt. It doesn't even say. Let me see if it says on the or an 18 watt. I don't even remember what I ordered. So it's it doesn't say. Okay, amplifier kit. So I guess I'll have to look it up. And yeah, this will be nice with 12 volt input and 30 watt speaker. Maybe I'll buy another speaker, 30 watts, then I'll have 15 plus 15. Okay, so this is one. Hopefully all the components are there. Let's see the other one. This should be the Bluetooth thing. And let's compare it to the other Bluetooth thing. Oh, it says Bluetooth audio. A ground, left, right, battery 5 volt ground. Okay, and it has a micro USB port and an audio jack. And here's the Bluetooth antenna. So yeah, I just want to compare this to the other one that I got that has an amplifier. So here's the one with the amplifier. It's probably the same chip. Well, not quite, but look, they look the same. These are responsible for the Bluetooth stuff, and this one has an amplifier. This probably only has the preamplifier. Okay, so yeah, I mean there's nothing to solder on this. They didn't give any additional parts. You just connect the battery. Wait, what is here? DPDN, and they are not connected. These are the two data lines from the USB. Yeah, but why are they not connected? I mean, should they be connected? I'll have to look it up. On this one, Yeah, they go through there, and they are connected. Okay, it's good to know. Maybe you can do something through the USB. Or they just program the chip like that. This is interesting. All my Bluetooth stuff until now, they were all passive. You couldn't connect them to a computer through a USB, just charge and that's it. So this will be interesting, and I'll do something with them in an upcoming video. I'll probably assemble the amplifier first, and then let's see the blue teeth.